Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a Ring device from the Ring app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Ring app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, you will see a list of all your Ring devices on the home screen. Find the device you want to remove, such as Ring doorbell or Ring camera, and tap on it. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the gear icon, which opens the device settings. Now scroll down and tap on general settings. Set and control basic options for your Ring device. Inside general settings, scroll all the way down until you see remove this device. Tap on it. The Ring app will ask you to confirm. Tap remove device again to confirm your choice. This step is important to make sure the device is removed from your account. After confirming, the device will be deleted from the Ring app and disconnected from your account. And that's it. You have successfully removed a Ring device using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video, and drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.